USB Type-A. This is the classic rectangular connector that most people picture when they think of plugging something into a computer. Introduced in the late 1990s, it was designed to establish a universal standard that could replace a frustrating mess of proprietary ports. You will typically find these on the host end of a connection, meaning they plug directly into laptops, desktop towers, or wall chargers. While it revolutionized how we interact with hardware, it has a famous design quirk that often requires users to flip it upside down before it successfully slides into the port. Despite being slowly phased out on ultra-thin devices, it remains an incredibly common sight in homes and offices around the world. USB Type-B. With its distinct square shape and slightly beveled top corners, this connector was built specifically for larger, stationary peripheral devices. During the early 2000s, it became the undisputed standard for connecting heavy desktop printers and flatbed scanners to personal computers. Its blocky physical design makes it incredibly durable and ensures a very secure fit that will not accidentally slip out if the device is bumped. Because it is almost always used on the receiving end of a connection, it safely prevents users from accidentally connecting two host computers directly to each other. Even as wireless printing becomes the norm, this reliable connector still serves as a dependable physical backup in countless office environments. Mini USB. Representing the first major attempt to shrink connectivity for portable devices, this compact connector features a slightly trapezoidal shape. As digital cameras, early MP3 players, and the first wave of smartphones began to hit the market, manufacturers desperately needed something much smaller than the standard desktop ports. It provided a reliable way to transfer digital photos and music while simultaneously charging the internal battery of these new handheld gadgets. However, the internal pins and physical casing were somewhat fragile, leading to a relatively short lifespan in the fast-moving tech industry. Today, you're most likely to encounter it on legacy electronics or older gaming controllers that have been sitting in a drawer for a decade. Micro USB. Evolving from its slightly larger predecessor, this incredibly thin, flat connector with a slight curve became the undisputed ruler of the mobile world for nearly 10 years. It was universally adopted by almost every major smartphone manufacturer, drastically reducing the environmental waste caused by companies using dozens of different proprietary chargers. Beyond just phones, it found its way into wireless headphones, portable speakers, and countless rechargeable household accessories. While it was celebrated for its small footprint, the asymmetrical design meant users still had to pay close attention to which way they were plugging it in, and the tiny internal clips were prone to wearing out over time. It stands as a vital bridge between the early days of mobile tech and the modern era of reversible connections. USB Type-C. This modern marvel of engineering represents the ultimate goal of a truly universal and user-friendly connection standard. Its most celebrated feature is the completely symmetrical, oval-shaped design, which allows it to slide seamlessly into a device on the very first try, regardless of orientation. Beyond the physical convenience, it acts as a massive data highway capable of simultaneously transferring high-resolution video, vast amounts of files, and enough raw electrical power to charge a full-sized laptop. This astonishing versatility has allowed hardware manufacturers to replace multiple dedicated ports with just one elegant solution, paving the way for impossibly thin electronics. If you found this journey through everyday technology helpful, please subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments which of these connections you use the most.